Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Rideable Scavenger mount in Gothic 1 Remake. The Scavenger mount is one of the new features added in the Remake. It can be acquired as early as Chapter 1, but you'll need to gather a few materials first. First things first, you need to be in the old camp to get free leather strips. What you'll want to do is stand in front of Thoris, then turn left and follow this linear path. Keep walking along this path, and once you see the red house, you'll know you're about halfway to the location. Continue following the path and you'll eventually reach the blacksmith's shed. Ignore the NPC inside, and if you look closely to the right, you'll find 2 leather strips on the table. All you need to do is steal these leather strips without getting caught so you can obtain them for free. Next, we need 3 wolf skins. You can buy one from Mordrag near the south entrance of the old camp, sitting in the small house just before the turn toward the south gate. You can also follow Mordrag when he escorts you to the new camp. About halfway through the journey, you'll reach Cavalorn's hut. Interact with Cavalorn, and you can buy 2 more wolfskins from him. After that, continue your journey with Mordrag. Once he gives you the reward for completing the escort quest, interact with him again and you'll be able to buy the final wolf skin. Lastly, we need 5 Kingstide herbs. To get Kingstide herbs, head to any river or lake scattered throughout the colony, just like this spot in the new camp shown on the map. Swim into the water and dive to the bottom. You'll find Kingstide herbs growing underwater. They're aquatic plants that look like this. Collect 5 of them for the mount whistle. Now that we have all the materials, head to this location on the map just across from Cavalorn's hut. Here you'll find an NPC named Kosel. Exhaust all of his dialogue until you can ask about the scavengers. Keep selecting that dialogue until he finally tells you how to get the mount. Hand over the required materials whenever he asks for them, and if everything is correct, he'll tell you to come back the next day. When you return the following day, he'll give you the whistle. Use the whistle, and your rideable scavenger will come to you, allowing you to ride it anywhere across the map. And that's how to get the rideable scavenger mount in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.